Good morning. It's Friday, May 27th. There's been more attention paid to seafood fraud and substitution because Oceana, one of the environmental groups, has announced a campaign against seafood fraud, claiming as much as 25% of seafood sold is actually a different species than what it's labeled. This is based on some studies that have been done in the UK and elsewhere showing that there's a widespread confusion about species substitution. This is not always done from an economic motive. Sometimes it's done out of carelessness. But even so, the industry is going to have to face up to concerns about species substitution. And one of the quickest and best ways to do that is to use more widespread DNA testing. These types of tests that can rapidly tell whether the fish on the plate or the fish in the counter is in fact the species that was bought are becoming increasingly inexpensive and easy to use. For example, a single DNA test to establish a fish species right now might cost $20. It's highly worthwhile, in my opinion, for major buyers to begin to integrate this type of sampling program with DNA testing into their purchase specs as a way to stamp out and eliminate seafood fraud. In Nantucket, Mass., this is John Sackton. Have a good long weekend.